हेलो गाइस, अब हम पार्ट थर्ड देखेंगे। ठीक है। तो इसमें हम देखेंगे ऑर्थोग्राफिक प्रोजेक्शंस। ठीक है, यहाँ से हम आगे कंटिन्यू करेंगे। ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं। व्हेन द रिसेंडिंग लाइन आर ड्रॉन टू फुल साइज स्केल एंड द प्रोजेक्टर इंक्लाइन एट एन एंगल ऑफ 30 डिग्री और 45 डिग्री और 60 डिग्री टू द प्लेन ऑफ प्रोजेक्शन, सच ओबेक प्रोजेक्शन इज नोन एज। तो ऐसे प्रोजेक्शन को हम क्या कहते हैं? कैविलियर प्रोजेक्शन। ठीक है, ये क्या होता है अभी आगे देख लेते हैं। The word oblique means slightly. There are three: vertical, horizontal, and oblique. The oblique axis, called receding axis, is drawn either to 60 degree or 45 degree or 60 degree. Types of oblique drawing. First is a cavalier projection. When an oblique drawing is prepared to the exact dimension of an object, it is called a cavalier projection. ठीक है। और cabinet projection, to reduce distortion, the dimension of receding line of an object can be drawn half scale. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं। With reference to figure in third angle projection, क्या होता है? Plane of projection is between observer and object। ठीक है, देख लेते हैं। With reference to given figure in third angle of projection, plane of projection is between observer and object. In this case, plane of projection is assumed to be transparent. अगला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। The recommended symbol for indicating the angle of projection shows two views of the frustum of a, क्या होता है? Cone। ठीक है, एक्सप्लेनेशन देख लेते हैं। The recommended symbol for indicating the angle of projection shows two view of frustum of a cone. First symbol one angle projection, first angle projection। आगे देखते हैं, अगला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। सिंबल थर्ड डिग्री एंगल प्रोजेक्शन ये है। ठीक है, आगे देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। फिगर 1 and 2 below shows the method of obtaining first and third angle projection symbol. Which one shows the principle of first angle projection symbol? ठीक है, तो ये क्या है? फर्स्ट हमारा शो कर रहा है। ठीक है, फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड एंगल प्रोजेक्शन। ठीक है। From the figure given in question, figure 1 shows the first angle projection system because in this figure object is lie between the plane of projection and the observer। ठीक है, इस वजह से। But in figure 2 shows the symbol of third angle projection because the plane is lie between the object and the observer। आगे बढ़ते हैं, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। चूज द करेक्ट ऑर्थोग्राफिक व्यू एज पर द डायरेक्शन शोन इन आइसोमेट्रिक। ठीक है, इसका आपका डायरेक्शनल व्यू बताना ऑर्थोग्राफ, तो ये क्या होगा? टी। ठीक है, इस डायरेक्शन से आपको बताना था व्यू। आगे बढ़ते हैं। फाइंड आउट द प्लेन टॉप व्यू ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट एज पर द डायरेक्शन ऑफ एरो ऑन इन आइसोमेट्रिक व्यू। ठीक है, तो इस पे हमें बताना है। तो आपको क्लियरली दिख रहा है क्या? ऑप्शन ए हो जाएगा। ठीक है, the plane top view of the given object as per the direction of arrow in isometric view is given figure। ठीक है, in orthographic views are plane, elevation and right है in view। ठीक है, ऐसे था। अगला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। an object is shown by more than one views in a drawing, it is called क्या होगा? ऑर्थोग्राफिक प्रोजेक्शन। ठीक है, एक्सप्लेनेशन देख लेते हैं। an object is shown by more than one views in a drawing, it is called orthographic projection। In this projection, projector or sight rays are parallel to each other and perpendicular to the plane। ठीक है, आगे देखते हैं। ऑर्थोग्राफिक प्रोजेक्शन इज ए फोर डायमेंशनल प्रोजेक्शन। ठीक है, projection in which when the projectors are parallel to each other and perpendicular to the plane is called orthographic projection। This projection is multi-views projection because in this projection for the complete description of the 3D object at least two or more than two projections are drawn। ठीक है, front view projection is drawn on vertical principal plane, top view projection on horizontal plane and other any side view projection is an auxiliary plane। अगला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। the two principal planes HP and BP horizontal plane and vertical plane are dash degree to each other। तो आपको क्लियर पता है 90 डिग्री होता है। ठीक है, two principal plane horizontal plane and vertical plane intersecting to each other at 90 degree। The line XY of intersection of both principal plane is known as reference line। When drawn, the projection of object on drawing paper reference line works on as basic line between plane and elevation। Figure given below shows dash principal line for orthographic projection। तो क्या है? टू। ठीक है, figure given in the question show two principal planes for orthographic projection। These principal planes are horizontal plane and second is vertical plane। आगे देखते हैं। In the figure the said vertical plane is given as dash। ठीक है, तो ये क्या होगा? AVP। In the figure given in question the said vertical plane is known as AVP। This plane is used for showing or drawing the side view of an object। We can draw the orthographic projection in dash angle, क्या? फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड एंगल। ठीक है, we cannot draw the orthographic projection in second and fourth angle because its system is second angle projection। When we draw orthographic projection, horizontal plane and vertical plane both come above XY line। ठीक है, hence फ्रंट एंड टॉप व्यू प्रोजेक्शन बोथ आर ओवरलैप टू ईच अदर। फोर्थ एंगल प्रोजेक्शन क्या होता है? When we draw orthographic projection, horizontal plane and vertical plane both come below XY line. ठीक है? Hence front and top view projection both are overlap to each other. Due to this difficulty, we cannot use these system in orthographic projection. अगला देखते हैं. On auxiliary vertical plane, AVP view is projected side or end. ठीक है? Side or end view is projected on auxiliary vertical plane. ठीक है? Sometimes some features of an object lie on its left or right side. Top and front view will not be sufficient to show these features in their true shape. In such case, the object is projected either on the left or right side plane. This side plane is also known as auxiliary plane. ठीक है, अगला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. इन फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट सच दैट फॉर फर्स्ट एंगल प्रोजेक्शन दैट ऑब्जेक्ट इज प्लेस्ड, क्या होता है, ए एंड बी, या ऑन हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन होगा या तो एबव हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन. ठीक है, अगला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. इन द थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट थर्ड एंगल प्रोजेक्शन द पोजीशन ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट विथ रेफरेंस टू एच पी इज, ठीक है, तो बिलो द एच पी होगा, बी होगा ऑप्शन. बी, बी तो हो गई, और एच पी प्लेन पे भी रख सकते हैं इसलिए बी होगा. ठीक है, अगला देखते हैं. फिगर बिलो शोज द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ डैश एंगल प्रोजेक्शन विच इज द फर्स्ट, ठीक, फर्स्ट एंगल प्रोजेक्शन है. ठीक, आगे देखते हैं. फिगर बिलो इज द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ द एंगल ऑर्थोगोनल प्रोजेक्शन, तो क्या आपका सेकंड एंगल ऑर्थोग्राफिक प्रोजेक्शन. फोर क्वाड्रेंट फॉर ड्राइंग ऑर्थोग्राफिक प्रोजेक्शंस आर नंबर्ड, क्या होगा, एंटी क्लॉक वाइज. ये रहा दिखा हुआ आपको एंटी क्लॉक वाइज. आगे देखते हैं अगला क्वेश्चन. द प्रोजेक्शन ऑब्टेन्ड ऑन द वर्टिकल प्लेन ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज कॉल्ड एलिवेशन. ठीक है, इन थर्ड एंगल प्रोजेक्शन मेथड द रिलेटिव पोजीशन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट प्लेन ऑफ प्रोजेक्शन एंड ऑब्जर्वर आर प्लेन ऑफ प्रोजेक्शन इज प्लेस्ड बिटवीन बोथ ऑफ देम. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. In orthogonal projection, if an object is placed below horizontal plane and behind vertical plane, then at what angle will be object will be located at which angle? तो hence third angle होगा. ठीक है, यहाँ से explanation देख लेते हैं. First angle projection क्या होता है? Object is situated in front of vertical plane and above to the horizontal plane. Second angle projection, object is situated behind the vertical plane and above the horizontal plane. Third angle projection, object is situated behind the vertical plane and below the horizontal plane. ठीक है, फोर्थ एंगल प्रोजेक्शन, ऑब्जेक्ट इज सिचुएटेड इन द फ्रंट ऑफ वर्टिकल प्लेन एंड बिलो टू द हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन. ठीक है, अगला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. द फ्रंट व्यू एंड टॉप व्यू ऑफ लाइंस आर रिप्रेजेंटेड बिलो एंड अबव द एक्स वाई लाइन रिस्पेक्टिवली. द प्रोजेक्शंस आर ड्रॉन इन, क्या होता है, थर्ड एंगल. ठीक है, ड्यूरिंग प्रोजेक्शन द फ्रंट व्यू इज ऑलवेज ऑब्टेन्ड इन द वर्टिकल प्लेन एंड द टॉप व्यू इज ऑलवेज ऑब्टेन्ड इन हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन. ठीक है, तो अब हम आगे देखते हैं अगला क्वेश्चन. तो देखते हैं. In the third angle projection, the top view of the body is always drawn as above the front view. ठीक है, that view of an object which is formed on an additional vertical plane when it viewed from the side is called side elevation. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Hmm. There are some vertical and axial surface in three views of an object. How many horizontal surface are there in these object? Which is three. ठीक है, व्हाट आर द मेथड ऑफ मेकिंग प्रोजेक्शन. ठीक है, तो उसको हम कहते हैं ऑर्थोग्राफिक व्यू और पिक्टोरियल ग्रुप. ठीक है, बोथ है वो. अगला देखते हैं. इन विच पोजिशन शुड ए सर्कल इज प्लेस सो दैट वन व्यू ऑफ इट्स एन इलिप्स एंड अदर इज ए लाइन. ठीक है, तो देख लेते हैं. तो ये क्या होगा आपका, परपेंडिकुलर टू वर्टिकल प्लेन एंड इंक्लाइन टू हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन. The decreasing line of oblique projection is inclined at which angle? So it is 45 degree. The line which connect with object and the projection are called, which is projector. The line joining the front and top view of point is called a projector. If the definition of a normal surface is one that is parallel to a principal plane of projection, frontal, horizontal or profile, then for the object pictured, how many normal surface are there? Count all surface, which is approx 6. पिक्टोरियल ड्राइंग और पिक्टोरियल प्रोजेक्शन इज आरआरबी भुवनेश्वर ऐप, सॉरी ये, हाँ, पिक्टोरियल ड्राइंग और पिक्टोरियल प्रोजेक्शन इज ए थ्री डायमेंशनल. द व्यू विच फॉर्म व्हेन एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज व्यू फ्रॉम इट टॉप व्यू इज कॉल्ड, क्या कहेंगे हम उसको, टॉप व्यू. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. द टॉप व्यू ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट शुड बी ड्रॉन, क्या होता है, बिलो और अबव द फ्रंट व्यू. ठीक है, फ्रंट व्यू के ऊपर या नीचे होता है टॉप व्यू. The line on which the horizontal plane and the vertical plane are intersect each other is called क्या होता है reference line कहते हैं. In the human eye, the image of an object and which form on the retina dash then the size of the object is smaller. ठीक है. In the human eye, the image of an object which form on an retina is smaller and inverted than the real size of the object. The human eye has an ocular lens which is convex lens. ठीक है. What is the maximum number of auxiliary view of an given object which is infinite? ठीक है. In third angle projection, the plane of projection lie between the object and the observer. If the straight line are drawn from various points on the contour of an object to meet a plane, then the figure obtained on the plane is called dash of the object. ठीक है. तो क्या होगा? आंसर पढ़ लेते हैं. Straight line are drawn from the various point on the contour of an object to meet a plane. Then the object said to be projected on that plane. ठीक है. The point at which these line meet the plane is called the projection of the object and the D option. ठीक है. The line which object is plane are called is projector. ठीक है. आगे बढ़ते हैं. In the isometric drawing, vertical lines are drawn vertically and horizontal lines in the width and the depth planes are shown at dash to the horizontal which is 30 degree. ठीक है. A dash projection is an oblique projection in which the depth of the object is shown in full size which is cavalier. एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स देख लेते हैं. नंबर ऑफ प्रिंसिपल व्यूज आर 6. ठीक है. In the orthographic angular position of projection line and projection plane with respect to each other is perpendicular. Technical drawing typically CBS the purpose is visualization, communication, documentation. In a perspective drawing, the object always touches the ground line. The position of an object which with respect to picture plane in order to obtain an enlarged perspective view should be object should be in front of picture plane. Projection of a helix is a sinusoidal. Circular shape appears in this fashion when viewed at an angle other than 90 degree elliptical. Principal view associated with orthographic projection are front view, top view, side view. The front view of cube when it resting on horizontal plane on one of the face and other face is parallel to vertical plane is a square. The point from which the observer is assumed to view the object is called center of projection. The orthographic projection is also known as multi-view projection. If the front and top view of an object is above the reference line, then it is implies object is above horizontal plane and behind vertical plane. A right circular cone tests on the generation on the horizontal plane and has its axis inclined at 45 degree to the vertical plane. The angle between the reference line and the top view of the axis will be greater than 45 degree. ठीक है. अब प्रोजेक्शन पॉइंट देख लेते हैं. इफ ए पॉइंट इज सिचुएटेड इन वर्टिकल प्लेन देन वेयर इट प्लेन विल बी मेड विच इज ऑन एक्स वाई लाइन. ठीक है. If a point is situated in vertical plane, then its plane will be obtained on the xy line and the front view of this point will obtain at the some distance from the xy line. आगे देखते हैं. What are the maximum possible position of an points in any quadrant which is C4. ठीक है. आगे देखते हैं. If the plane of a point is below from xy line, its will be vertical plane point will be front. अब मैच द फॉलोइंग देख लेते हैं. ठीक है. ऑन हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन इन द फ्रंट ऑफ वर्टिकल प्लेन. ठीक है. आई थिंक ये कुछ प्रिंट आउट ही नहीं दे रखा हुआ है. ठीक है. तो यहाँ से देख लेते हैं. बस ये यहाँ से बी हो जाएगा ए का 1. ठीक है. ए का 1 एंड बी का 2. ठीक है. ये हो जाएगा. और फिर हाँ फिर बी का 2, सी का 2, डी का 1. सही दे रहा है. ठीक है. ऑन द वर्टिकल प्लेन एंड बिलो द हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन. ठीक है. इस तरीके से आप कर सकते हैं. ऑन द हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन तो ये रहा हमारा हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन एंड इन फ्रंट ऑफ द वर्टिकल प्लेन. ठीक है. ऑन द हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन एंड बिहाइंड द वर्टिकल प्लेन. ठीक है. ये आई थिंक यहाँ से बाहर की तरफ आएगा. ठीक है. तो वर्टिकल प्लेन बिहाइंड हो जाएगा उसके पीछे. ठीक. और ऑन द वर्टिकल प्लेन एंड अबव द हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन. ठीक. ये फिगर आगे देखते हैं. In a point which elevation is above to the reference line is probably situated in the first quadrant and second one, hence both options are correct. If a point is below horizontal plane, then elevation from xy line is below. If a point G is situated on ground level, its dash always obtained in ground क्या होता है elevation. If a point is found on the top view of a line, then that line will be from the horizontal plane is perpendicular. The point at which the line intersects the vertical plane is known as vertical trace. The projection of a point on xy line will be obtained when that point from the reference plane will be at zero distance. If the point view of a point is on xy line, then that point will be located in which plane, which is horizontal plane. If the point is located on both planes, then the front view is obtained where, which is on xy plane. If any points is situated in fourth quadrant, then it will above the ground and dash of the vertical plane is front of the vertical plane. If any points is situated above the ground and behind the vertical plane, then point will be situated in which quadrant, which is third quadrant. A point lie in the horizontal plane which top view is above reference line, then its front view is located is on reference line. The point at which line intersect the horizontal plane if extended is known as horizontal trace. अब हम देखते हैं projection of line. ठीक है. If a line is inclined to the horizontal plane and parallel to the vertical plane, then it has a only horizontal trace but no vertical trace. A cone resting on its base in horizontal plane is cut by a plane inclined to the axis and parallel to one of its generators. The sectional view will be parabola. ठीक है. If a line is perpendicular to the vertical plane and then its vertical trace coincide with its front view, which it is a point, then it has no horizontal trace. In horizontal plane, the plane of an point will be at the same distance from xy line, whatever distance of this point is located from vertical plane. अगला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. The plane which is perpendicular to both the plane, horizontal plane and vertical plane is called orthographic plane. ठीक है. देखते हैं अगला क्वेश्चन 241. ठीक है. मैच द फॉलोइंग. लाइन पैरेलल टू बोथ. ठीक है. लाइन पैरेलल है किसके किसके, हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन एंड वर्टिकल प्लेन. ठीक है. तो देख लेते हैं ए बी सी डी. ठीक है. तो ना तो हॉरिजॉन्टल ट्रेस दिखा है ना वर्टिकल ट्रेस एग्जिस्ट करेगा. ए का 4. लाइन पैरेलल टू हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन एंड परपेंडिकुलर टू द वर्टिकल प्लेन. ठीक है. तो आपका हो जाएगा कि वर्टिकल एग्जिस्ट बट हॉरिजॉन्टल डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट. ठीक है. सी. लाइन इंक्लाइन टू बोथ हॉरिजॉन्टल एंड वर्टिकल प्लेन. ठीक है. तो हॉरिजॉन्टल ट्रेस एंड वर्टिकल बोथ आर एग्जिस्ट. ठीक देखते हैं. लाइन पैरेलल टू वर्टिकल प्लेन एंड इंक्लाइन टू हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन. ठीक है. तो ये हो जाएगा हॉरिजॉन्टल ट्रेस एग्जिस्ट बट वर्टिकल डज नॉट. ठीक है. ये हो जाएगा 1. तो हेंस ऑप्शन इज सी. आगे देखते हैं. planes which are inclined to both the horizontal plane and the vertical plane are called oblique planes. ठीक है. आगे क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. For the given orthographic projection, what will be the position of point with respect to plane of projection, which is a second quadrant? For the given orthographic projection, what will be the position of point with respect to plane of projection, which is a fourth quadrant? If top view of a plane, if top view of a line is a point, its front view is a perpendicular to reference line and equal to its true length. If a line is parallel to horizontal plane and inclined to vertical plane, its true length will be seen in top view. If a line is parallel to vertical plane and inclined to horizontal plane, then its view dash will be parallel to xy, which is a top view. When the axis of solid is perpendicular to the vertical plane, then it will be dash to the horizontal plane, which is parallel to horizontal plane. The elevation of a point is 40 mm above to the reference line and then plane is 50 mm below to reference line. That point will be 40 mm above horizontal plane. If a line is parallel to horizontal plane and inclined to vertical plane, then which view of it parallel to xy line, which is a front view? A line is inclined to horizontal plane and parallel to vertical plane, then the true length of a line is represented in elevation. If the vertical trace of a plane is a line parallel to xy line, then the plane will be dash if to horizontal line, which is parallel. If the line is perpendicular to horizontal plane, then which is view to found a point, which is a top view. If a line is perpendicular to the vertical plane, then in which view is perpendicular to xy, which is a top view. On line which is parallel to vertical plane and inclined to at any angle from horizontal plane, then what is found in the front view? And option is a line. No line can ever be the both the reference plane which is a perpendicular. आगे. In the front view of a line, the actual length of the line will be visible only when the line is in and the vertical plane, which is a parallel. If a line is parallel to horizontal plane, so its top view is a straight line. If a line is inclined to horizontal plane and parallel to vertical plane, so its top view above the xy line is parallel. If both the front and top views of a line are perpendicular to the reference line, the true inclination of line with horizontal plane and vertical plane may be respectively which is any of these. If a line is situated on vertical plane, then which view is found on xy, which is top view. A line is kept perpendicular to vertical plane, so its top view is a line. If a line is inclined to both the planes, then in which projection will be actual length of the line will found, which is none of these. Okay? If line is located to horizontal plane, then which of its view is on xy plane? Okay? So answer which is a B. ठीक है, B front view. अगला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Trace of inclined line is obtained from horizontal plane, which is horizontal trace. If the apparent and the true inclination of a line with horizontal plane are equal and line is a parallel to the vertical plane. For a line situated in the first quadrant, which of the following statement is not correct? Horizontal trace may be lie above xy and vertical trace below xy. If the front view of a line is parallel to the xy, its true length is shown in top view. The front view and top view of a line both lie above the xy line. The line is located in second quadrant. पढ़ेंगे projection of line. ठीक है. A plane extended if necessary will meet the reference plane in lines unless it is parallel to any one of them. These lines are called traces of the plane. If a line is inclined to vertical planes and parallel to horizontal plane, then which of the following statement is always correct? Which is true length is equal to plane length. Okay. If a plane is parallel to both planes, horizontal plane and vertical plane, then which trace will be obtained? None of the. If a rectangle is placed parallel to vertical plane, then his front view will be rectangle. If a square is perpendicular to horizontal plane and parallel to vertical plane, its top view will be a line. If a circle is perpendicular to both horizontal plane and vertical plane, then it will be circle in side view, which is a circle. If a rectangle is inclined at an angle of theta from horizontal plane and perpendicular to horizontal plane, then which of its view will be inclined to the xy line, which is front view. A circle is placed at which condition so that its top view is square? ठीक है, तो none of these. If a square is parallel to horizontal plane and perpendicular to vertical plane, then its horizontal trace will be none of these. ठीक है, अगला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. If a rectangle is parallel to vertical plane, then its horizontal trace dash will be is parallel to xy line. Any planes cannot be dash to both the reference plane, which is parallel to both the reference plane. If a square plane is kept perpendicular to both the horizontal and vertical planes, its true shape is seen in profile plane. ठीक है, PP profile plane. आगे देखते हैं. If both the front and top view of a plane are a straight line, it may be perpendicular to both horizontal and vertical planes. A pentagonal prism whose edges are perpendicular to vertical plane and the base is parallel to vertical plane. If its rectangular face are parallel to horizontal plane, then the projection of their top view and front view will be this is B. A square pyramid is resting on its base on horizontal plane. One side of the base is inclined at 60 degree to horizontal plane. The number of dotted line will appear in the front view, which is 1. Projection of solid. A triangular prism base 40 mm side and axis 50 mm long is resting on its base on the horizontal plane with a vertical face perpendicular to the vertical plane. What is the front view of the prism, which is a rectangle? Which of the following are the method are determining the line of intersection between surfaces of two interpenetration solid, which is a line method and cutting plane method? Which one of the following is used for pyramids and cone in which the true length of the slant edge or the generator is used as radius, which is radial line development. If a square pyramid is freely suspended from one of the corner of its base, then the imaginary line joining that corner will with the center of gravity of the pyramids will be vertical. Which one of the following statement is correct in the development of lateral surfaces of solid, which is the development of a lateral surface of a right circular cylinder is a rectangle? If the development of a lateral surface of a cone is semicircle, then the slant height of the cone is equal to diameter of the base of the cone. A cone is resting with its base on horizontal plane. A section plane parallel to vertical plane cut the cone. The section plane is some distance away from the center and does not pass through the apex. The true shape of the section is rectangular hyperbola. A pentagonal prism is lying on horizontal plane on one of its rectangular faces. When it is cut by a section plane, the largest possible section thereof has, which is a 7 edge. If a thread is wound around a cone starting from a point on the base and brought back to the same point, then the shortest possible length of the threaded is equal to the largest chord of the development sector. The locus stays by a point moving along the pendulum from one point to another when the pendulum oscillate is a spherical. The plane which is inclined equally to the reference axis is called orthohedral plane. A square-shaped plane which is lying on horizontal plane, its front view could appear as a straight line. If the cabinet project, the ratio of the length of principal face lines and reducing line is 2:1. In cavalier projection, the ratio between the length of the line of principal face and the reducing line is 1:1. A cone is cut by section plane parallel to the profile plane. Its true shape of section is seen in this side view. एग्जाम पॉइंट व्यू से इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट देख लेते हैं. सिमेट्रिक ऑब्जेक्ट कैन बी शोन इफेक्टिवली यूजिंग हाफ सेक्शन. द कटिंग plane line indicates both the location of cutting planes and the direction of sight. The type of view is auxiliary section. That surface which development method is used for sphere, John and Leumann method. The John method is used to develop a sphere. Development of a surface is used in the development of piping, air conditioning duct, bucket. A tetrahedron has four equal dash faces triangular. If a solid is cut by a cutting plane parallel to the base of the solid and top part is removed, the remaining part is called frustum of solid. When a sphere is cut by a plane in such a way, then section plane is parallel to horizontal plane. The true shape of section is always a circle. The distance is a screw thread advance axially is 1 turn is lead. Gear teeth formed on the flat surface are called rack. Some objects are made by intersection of solids because intersection of solids is leak-proof joint. When the cone is cut by a plane in such a way that plane make the same angle with axis as to the generator, the curve is a parabola. The curve generated by a point on the circumference of a circle roll along another circle outside is epicycloidal. If the ratio of distance from focus to that of from the directs is then one is called ellipse. Okay. When the cone is cut by a plane in such a way that plane is perpendicular to the axis, the curve is circle. A right circular cylinder is resting on horizontal plane on its base and it is cut by a section plane inclined to the horizontal plane bisecting its axis. True shape of section is ellipse. That method which is used to draw ellipse, concentric circle method, oblong method and terminal method. अब हम आगे देखेंगे oblique and isometric view के सारे क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं. Consider the following points while drawing the isometric view of any solid. First, the isometric views should be drawn according to the given views and in such a way that maximum possible details are visible. First statement. Second, at every point for the corner of solid, at least 3 lines for the edge must coverage or these at least one must be visible edge. 2 lines for visible edge will never cross other. ठीक है, तो all the statements are correct. Which one of the following methods are used when a non-isometric line of their ends line is isometric plane, which is a box method? Oblique drawing has the following advantage over isometric drawing, which is a circular of irregular outlines on the front face shows in their true shape. अगला क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं. On a multi-view of drawing, a visible or invisible line represent of the following: intersecting of two surface सही है, edge view of a surface सही है, limiting element of a surface सही है. तो hence 1 2 3 are correct statement. in which one of the following projection type the object is kept in such a way that its three mutual perpendicular edge make equal angle with the plane of projection and the project stand on one of its corner, which is a isometric projection. An isometric projection is a isometric to view in 3D. ऑप्शन डी होगी, ठीक है। 3D के लिए हम आइसोमेट्रिक प्रोजेक्शन यूज करते हैं। आगे देखते हैं। While making isometric projection, the ellipse is preferable drawn by which is a centric method। देख लेते हैं, फोर सेंटर मेथड होगा, ठीक। विच स्टेटमेंट इज नॉट करेक्ट, कौन सा गलत नहीं है। आइसोमेट्रिक स्केल इज यूज टू ड्रॉ आइसोमेट्रिक प्रोजेक्शन, ये सही है, और बाकी सारे सब रॉन्ग। आगे देखते हैं। ए सर्कल इज रिप्रेजेंटेड एज ए टॉप व्यू, फ्रंट व्यू एंड साइड व्यू। इफ दीज व्यूज आर कन्वर्टेड इनटू आइसोमेट्रिक व्यू देन neither the top view, front view or side view shall be same, ठीक है। Vertical edge of object appears in its isometric view as which is a vertical. In comparison to an isometric projection, the appearance of an isometric view is large. In isometric projection, those lines which are not parallel to isometric plane is dash called non-isometric line, ठीक है। आगे देखते हैं। Isometric view is 3D view. The view in which all four faces of the cube makes unequal angle with plane is called trimetric view. In which view the two faces of cube make equal angle with the plane, which is a diametric view, ठीक है। अब देख लेते हैं। In which view the three faces of cube make equal angle with plane, this is isometric view. In the isometric view of the object which there are many vertical and horizontal surface, which is a 8, sorry sir. What is the angle between the three isometric axes is isometric view, is 120 degree. The isometric plane which make an angle of 30 degree with the horizontal is called isometric projection. Characteristics of isometric projection, which is 3D projection. The perspective projection is made at an angle of how many degrees of the horizontal, which is 45 degree, 45 degree. What is the angle of object in the oblique projection, which is any of these. What is the oblique projection or oblique drawing, which is a pictorial projection. In which projection all the three factors of the cube make an unequal angle reference to the plane, which is a trimetric projection. In isometric projection a circle appears as an ellipse, ठीक है। और ये हमारा यहाँ पे कंप्लीट हो गया। अब हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इंजीनियरिंग मटेरियल को कवर करेंगे।